Today, I'll show you how to whip up almond biscotti that's absolutely irresistible. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, mix 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Want an extra kick? Add some cinnamon or orange zest. In a separate bowl, beat together 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Gradually combine the dry ingredients with the wet mixture until just blended. Fold in 1 cup of chopped toasted almonds. Now transfer the dough to your baking sheet and shape it into a 12-inch log. If it's sticky, wet your hands a bit. Bake for 25-30 minutes till it's golden and firm. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Reduce the oven temp to 325 degrees. Slice the log diagonally into 1 2-inch pieces. Lay them cut side down on the sheet and bake for another 10-15 minutes, flipping halfway through. Cool your biscotti completely on a wire rack. Voila! Enjoy your biscotti with a hot cup of coffee or tea. They stay fresh in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.